We guide you through how to change the inverted camera on iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app, scroll down and tap Camera. Then look for the option called Mirror Front Camera and simply toggle the settings on if you want your selfies to appear the same way you see yourself on the screen. Or turn it off if you prefer the traditional flip selfie look that iPhones use by default. And once that's done, open the camera app and switch the front camera to instantly see the difference. And if you're recording videos or using apps like FaceTime, Instagram, or TikTok, this settings helps you keep your face orientation consistent and avoids confusion with text or logos appearing reverse. And for older iPhone models that don't show this option, make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version by going to Settings, General, and Software Update because Apple added this feature in a new iOS versions.